नमस्ते, हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया। माई सेल्फ डॉक्टर अनीता चौधरी, असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर, डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ मटेरिया मेडिका, फैकल्टी ऑफ होम्योपैथिक साइंस, JVWU. Today topic is ammonium or medicine. A state of prostration bordering on a typhoid state is produced by this remedy. All mucus secretion are increased and retained. It is specially adapted to fat and sluggish patients who have respiratory troubles, cough associated with catarrh and affection of liver, a tendency to irregular circulation, blood seems to be in constant turmoil, pulsation. Many group of symptoms are accompanied by cough, profuse glary secretions. Its period of aggravation are peculiarly divided as to the bodily region affected. Thus, the head and chest symptoms are worse morning, the abdominal in the afternoon, the pain in the limbs, the skin and febrile symptoms in the evening, boiling sensations, mind symptom, melancholy, apprehensive like from internal grief, desire to cry but cannot, consequence of grief, head symptom, hair falls out with itching and dandruff, feels full compressed, worse in morning, eyes mist before eyes, optical illusion in incipient cataract, capsular cataract, face inflammatory face ache, mouth and lip sore and excoriated, nose symptom, free acrid hot watery discharge corroding the lip, sneezing, nose sore to touch, ulcerative pain in nostrils, loss of smell, obstructed, stuffy feeling, constant and unavailing effort to blow it out, itching, throat symptom, throbbing in and swelling of tonsils, can scarcely swallow, sore spot behind vulva, uvula, relieved by eating, internal and external swelling of throat with visit phlegm, so touch it cannot be hopped up, tonsillitis, stricture of esophagus, stomach thrust for lemonade, regurgitation of food, bitter waterbrush, nausea, gnawing in stomach, epigastric pain immediately after eating, cancer of stomach, abdomen, splenic stitches, especially in the morning with difficult breathing, pain around navel, abdominal symptoms appear during pregnancy, chronic congestion of liver, excessive fatty deposit around abdomen, much flatus, strained feeling in groin, rectum, itching and hemorrhoid, soreness with pustules, hard crumbly stool or covered with glaring mucus, stinging in perineum, green mucus stool alternate with constipation, during and after stool, burning and smarting in rectum, hemorrhoid after suppressed leukorrhea, female symptom, menses too early to free, dark clotted, flow more at night, pains as if sprained in left side of abdomen during pregnancy, diarrhea, greenish mucus stool and navel pain during menses, leukorrhea like white of an egg with pain about the navel, brown slimy after every urination, respiratory hoarseness and burning in larynx, dry, hacking, scraping cough, worse lying on back or right side, stitches in chest, cough loose in afternoon with profuse expectoration and rattling of mucus, operation of chest, burning at small spot in chest, scanty secretion, cough with profuse salivation, back symptom, icy coldness between shoulders, not relieved by warm covering followed by itching, bruised pain in coccyx when sitting, backache as if in a vice when sitting, extremities, pain as from ulceration in fingertips, shooting and tearing in tips of finger and toes, ulcerative pain in heels, contraction of hamstring tendons, sciatica worse sitting, better lying, neuralgic pain in amputated limbs, offensive sweaty fit, pain in fit during menses, skin itching generally evenings, blister on various parts, intense burning, better cold applications, fever, chilliness, evening after lying down and on awakening without thrust, heat in palms and sole, subacute, low fever due to unhealthy climate, lowest potencies, modalities, better in open air, worse in head and chest symptom in the morning, abdominal symptom in the afternoon. This session powered by digital version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. I hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you.